Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Squeeze some toothpaste onto an old toothbrush and work in circular motions on the stains. Let the paste stand on the shoes for 10 to 15 minutes. Use a damp towel or clean sponge to wipe the paste off the shoe. Repeat as needed until the stain is gone.
Take our lead.
Dip an old toothbrush or soft brush into the baking soda peroxide paste and gently scrub your shoes. The hydrogen peroxide acts like an all-fabric bleach to whiten the canvas fabric, and the baking soda helps scrub away scuffs and stains. Thoroughly wipe your sneakers with a clean wet cloth to rinse them.
Take our lead.
In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/2 tablespoon water and 1/2 tablespoon hydrogen peroxide to create a smooth paste. Gently brush the mixture into the shoe surface with an old toothbrush, just firm enough to work out any loose dirt, and work the paste in. Brush on a second coat of paste.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Mix a tablespoon of baking soda, a 1/2 tablespoon of water, and a 1/2 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide together in a bowl until it becomes somewhat pasty. With a soft bristled toothbrush, thoroughly scrub the mix onto every inch of the affected shoes. Really get in there good.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
To clean white shoes with baking soda, combine 1 tablespoon of hot water, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix until it reaches a paste-like consistency, and then use an old toothbrush to lather the mixture onto the canvas areas of your shoes.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A smelly shoe or sneaker is no match for the power of baking soda. Liberally sprinkle soda in the offending loafer or lace up and let it sit overnight. Dump out the powder in the morning. Be careful when using baking soda with leather shoes, however, repeated applications can dry them out.
Take our lead.
Use a brush to remove loose dirt and mud before you start cleaning the fabric. Use warm, soapy water and a toothbrush to clean the tops, sides and rubber strip of your Vans, working gently to remove stubborn stains. Use a clean, damp cloth to wipe down the surface and remove any remaining soap suds. Leave to air dry.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Add 1 part vinegar to 2 parts baking soda and 1 part heated water. Stir it until you get a smooth paste. If it's too runny, you can always add a little bit of baking powder. Use an old toothbrush and spread the paste on the entire outside surface of your white canvas slip-on Vans shoes, including the soles.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Bleach. Bleach and dishwashing liquid is another dynamic duo you can use to clean your white Vans. This time you want to use a cloth, instead of a toothbrush, soaked in the liquid to scrub your shoes clean. You can control how white you want your Vans to be with this method.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.